The wake-up call. Ever feel like your life is buffering? Like you're stuck in the loading screen of your own damn story? Let's be real, how many times have you told yourself, starting Monday, I'm changing everything? Only to wake up next Monday, scrolling TikTok with a bag of hot Cheetos at 11 a.m. Studio microphone look, I'm not here to judge. I've been there. That weird limbo where you know you were meant for more, but you just can't move. It's like watching other people build online businesses, travel the world, make six figures from a laptop, and you're just existing. Existing, not living. Existing, not earning. Existing, not winning. Brain, here's the harsh truth. You're not stuck. You're just scared to start over. Because starting over feels like admitting you wasted time. But what if I told you, starting over is your superpower? Firecracker pattern interrupt. Wait, what if you just deleted your old life like a corrupted file, and started fresh? Like, seriously. Control plus Alt plus Delete. Boom. New tab. New energy. New you. You wouldn't be the first. Steve Jobs got fired from Apple. Oprah was told she wasn't fit for TV. Mr. Beast made hundreds of videos before going viral. Rebooting is not failure. It's evolution. Bomb fear trigger. Wanna know the scariest thing? Waking up 5 years from now in the exact same place. Same job. Same mindset. Same bank account. That's not comfort. That's a slow-motion crisis. And the worst part? You'll be older, but still dreaming of starting. Fire emotional lift. But here's the twist. You can literally change your life in the next 30 days. Not in some fake, manifest it way. I'm talking real moves. Drop the dead weight. Shift your mindset. Launch that thing you've been thinking about. Start making money online, even if you've failed before. Because every expert you see online, they were once a clueless beginner too. The reboot strategy. Hammer and wrench. Step 1, reset your operating system. Let's get practical. If your brain was a phone, it'd have like 40 useless apps running in the background. Eyes doom scrolling. Worried face overthinking. Stop sign self-doubt. Time to uninstall. Here's what you do need. Clear goals, no more vibes only. A daily routine. One income goal to chase like your life depends on it. Writing hand pattern interrupt. Treat your day like a Netflix show, if it sucks, cancel the season. Seriously. Would you watch your own life right now? Or would you change the channel? Light bulb. Step 2, design your new identity. Want to become a money-making machine online? You gotta stop thinking like the old you. The broke you. The procrastinating you. The, I'll start Monday, you. Ask yourself. What would the 1% version of me do today? Would they wake up late? Binge TikTok? Doubt themselves for 6 hours? Nope. They'd act. They'd post that product. They'd send that pitch. They'd sell that offer. Even if it's messy. You don't become confident and then act. You act until you become confident. Repeat button. Step 3, build your money engine. Let's talk money. Money with wings. You want to reboot your life? Start by building your income like a business, not a gamble. Pick 1. Freelancing. Drop shipping. Content creation. Affiliate marketing. Digital products. Then give it 90 days of ruthless execution. Not 90 minutes. Not 9 days. 90 freaking days. That's how people go from broke to booked. From stuck to 6 figures. But you have to decide. Grinning face with sweat humor / real talk. You can't say, I want to make money online, and then act allergic to discipline. You're out here Googling how to make $10,000 a month, while also spending 3 hours building the perfect Notion template and calling it work. Bruh. Progress of perfection. Fire emotional high. This is your chance. You don't have to be great to start. But you do have to start to be great. And starting over. It's not a step backward. It's your launch pad. Begin again. Sunrise the rebirth. Here's the moment of truth. You've survived all your worst days. All the heartbreak. All the failures. All the not enoughs. And yet, you're still here. Which means you've got unfinished business. Don't let your story end in a chapter you hate. Rewrite it. Start that business. Launch that offer. Learn the skill. Post the content. Even if no one claps right now. Do it anyway. Because the version of you 1 year from now, they're begging you to move today. Alarm clock, the clock is ticking. No more waiting for the perfect time. That's a trap. Life doesn't hand out permission slips. You choose the reboot. You become the upgrade. Every expert was once invisible. Every millionaire was once broke. Every success story started with a scared person who tried anyway. Direct hit final message. The old you got you here. The new you will get you there. So today, right now. Begin again. Not because you failed. But because you're finally ready to win. Studio microphone. Hey, if this hit you in the gut and you're serious about leveling up, don't just scroll to the next video. Subscribe to the channel. Because every week, we're dropping real, raw, no BS motivation. For creators, hustlers, and digital underdogs. We're building a movement here. And your new chapter starts with one small click. Backhand index pointing right, subscribe. Reboot. Let's go.